Hello, Close to My Heart fans. I am so excited to introduce you to the July and August 2020 products from Close to My Heart. They've done it again. They've created 3 new collections, which are absolutely amazing, and I can't wait to share them with you. Let's take a look at the July and August catalog first. I just love this layout on the front, and I can't wait to share this collection with you. So first they start out with the Craft with Heart subscriptions, which you guys need to check out. You can get a layout subscription and a card subscription. The first collection to share is Summer Vibes. It's beautiful. It has a very fresh summery feel with lots of big leaves, gingham. There's oranges and corals and pinks. I just love it. Here are the coordinating colors: candy apple, smoothie, nectarine, lemonade, fern, glacier, toffee, black, and white. Love it. So you can see all of the individual products here and the fun stamps, which I always love. I love the scrapbooking stamps every time. They're so fun. You can also get these in workshop kits to make your creating super easy. And card making workshop kits as well. So if you don't have the ideas that you need to create an awesome card, then these kits are specifically made to help you create beautiful cards quickly and easily. Next up we have Timber, and this one's really fun. It's great for your outdoor summer camping adventures and hiking. So there's lots of red ginghams and dark greens and plaids and wood grain. It looks really awesome. I love the patterns in this collection. There's some kind of tone on tones, and then there's some mountain patterns. I love the wood grain. This one looks so fun, and I love the Picture My Life cards. How awesome is this scrapbooking stamp? That is so fun. So Timber also has a scrapbooking workshop kit. It also has a card making workshop kit. So there's always some awesome patterns included in the mix-ins, and this time is no different. There's some great usable patterns here in teals and greens and like multicolored little sparkles, it looks like here, and these coordinate with both of the latest collections. Here are the new stamp sets. Really pretty sunflower. This one is so cute. It's called Love Lives Here. How sweet is that? And I love how they show it on a scrapbook layout there. Pretty florals. Really intricate, beautiful lacy designs here. I love this watercolor background. That is so pretty. Look at this one grow. That's really fun. These little sweet animal faces are the cutest too. This one is one that I got in my box, so you'll see that one a little bit later. I got this one as well. So if you're into gnomes, there's a great stamp set for you. Check out this this Paper Pal Beach Day. This is so super fun. So you can make little people wearing their beach clothes here, and it coordinates with Paper Pal base boy and girl stamp. How cute is that? There's a great alpha here. Okay, I'm so excited to show you this. So you guys, if you've been following me for a while, you know that we go to Disney every year, usually Disneyland. This year will be the first year in 5 that we're not going, so I have a lot of Disney pictures, and this new collection is called Happiest Place. And as you can see, it has our favorite theme park kind of colors, some teal and yellow and red and black and white, and I just love it. I can't wait to show you guys this amazing collection. But look at this. The coordinating cardstock has silver foil on it. It has acrylic shapes. It has an amazing stamp. So the projects are forthcoming, you guys. I cannot wait to share them with you. So there's a cut above layout kit for that one. And then, as usual, there's always some awesome stuff back in the back of the catalog, like the stamp of the month. How awesome is that? So let's take a look at the actual products, shall we? Okay, first up, let's take a look at Summer Vibes. So look how awesome this collection is. All these colors are just gorgeous. I love these border strips of bubbles. There's so many different phrases down here. These big leaves would be great for framing a big picture. And then there's always some awesome stickers to use for titles. I really love this one, and I love the color scheme on it too. Let's check out the pattern papers. So this one has some flip-flops and watermelon, summer word, all the things you love about summer, and a really cool stripe. Those beautiful geometric waves in teal, and then that awesome leaf pattern. And then this really big floral, which is so fun, and the red gingham on the back. And then the coordinating cardstocks here, which I always love. I use these for everything from cards to framing my layouts, putting in my pocket pages, and the white here. So those are your coordinating cardstock colors. Okay, the picture my life cards are always some of my favorite parts of these collections. Let's take a look at these. Okay, for the 3x4s, I love how they have vertical and horizontal, and this one says just relax, and on that side it says chill. A really awesome citrus pattern. Plaid in different colors, bubbles, surfboard, blue or red, big waves, a floral with a yellow or green frame, gingham with little ants. How cute. Popsicles. One of the first things we're going to do when we get into our new house is make popsicles. They're in our shipment right now. Watermelon. I love summertime. Love that one. And the 4x6s, this awesome stripe, a leaf pattern, cool geometric on the back. Dot, ooh, with a really neat star. Look at that one. Gorgeous. Love that sign. Big flamingo. Walking on sunshine. That one's really cool. Palm trees. I love it with the waves there. A floral, ooh, or a pinkish floral. I love to see you shine. That's a really good one. That could be great for a layout title as well. A big camera. Hello Summer. And some sunglasses in vertical or horizontal. So I always love these. I'm currently catching up with my pocket pages right now at the moment, and I'm telling you, these close to my heart. Cards, Picture My Life cards, are so usable. I just love them. Let's take a look at the stamp. I have the scrapbooking stamp here. How cool is that? These are larger for you to use on your scrapbook layouts, so they have the die cuts as well. Coordinating dies, so don't forget about those. Aren't these awesome? I love the sunglasses with the palm trees. The little beach hut, that would be really fun to color in. Tan lines and good vibes. And this would be great for a border on your scrapbook layout. Be sure to check those out in the shop, and everything that you see here will be in my video notes, all the links for those. These are the Summer Vibes acrylic shapes. So you have words, you have suns, summer, perfect. Flowers, watermelons, there's so many cool things in here, you guys. Just little bits and pieces to add to, you know, whatever area needs it on your layout. Super duper fun. Okay, following in the order of the new catalog, let's check out Timber. Now, some might say that this is a kind of guy collection, but I would disagree because I just love it. I think the channel, the flannel, that cracks me up. And I'm a lover of the outdoors and hiking, so I would love to create with this and not just make cards for guys. But here's the sticker sheet. I love this shine brightest in the darkness. I love the bear getting lost with you. Some really great things on here. Here's the pattern papers. There's a green tree with an awesome plaid. There's your dark wood grain with another red plaid. And I love this pattern. It's like tone on tone. It's really, really neat. And then on the back, this kind of like scenery, getting lost in the woods. It has bears and wolves and rabbits and all sorts of things on it. Here are the coordinating cardstocks. Such gorgeous colors. I always love the close to my heart craft too. It's such a great kind of neutral craft color. So there's your coordinating cardstock colors. And then we have, what is this one? This one this is the die cuts. So they're all like on a craft background. I love that a kind man is a strong man. It's really cool. So there's lots of great things on here to punch out and add to your layouts. Let's take a look at the picture of my life cards next. Okay, these punny sayings just crack me up. I've loved you since the day I first saw you. So cute. There's that wood grain again. Some trees. Oh, it's red on the back too. I like that. Wood grain with starry background. Be brave, be bold. There's a little mountain scene with a lake, which is really pretty. There's some mountains and some trees. I love that one. Super pretty. I could definitely see myself using these. This says forge your own trail. That would be fun on a layout too. Adventure this way. Black on the other side. A craft. And a cool mountain there. Here are the 4x6s. This one's fun. And you can circle the different words in here. Funny, love. I'll have to see how many of those I can find in here. Times, good times. That's cool. I have loved the stars too fondly to be fearful of the night. That's nice. Limited edition, handmade quality. Love this guy. This is cool. A big moose head. He is, and then checked boxes. Work hard, stay humble. Get lost in the pine trees. And king of my heart. Awesome, awesome picture my life cards here. Let me just move these aside so I can show you the card making stamp. Super fun. I've fallen for you, choppy birthday. That cracks me up. Welcome to our neck of the woods. That's good. Here are the die cuts for those. And there's the stamps. I like this one. Okay, let's check out these awesome mix-in patterns. I love this teal one. It looks like it's been stitched. It has a great texture to it. And there's the dots on the back side, black and white. Oh, I'm going too fast here. There's the teal with the blue herringbone on the back side. And then the starry navy pattern with the black and white dots. And then this pink grid that also has a cool texture to it with a craft, another textured kind of paper. this green crosshatch. That really cool pattern. I love these. They're just, the mix-ins are always some of my favorites. Ooh, ledger, pink triangles, and pink stripes. And then the mix-in cardstocks, you have a craft. Oh, these are so pretty. Look at those together. They would be stunning together as a color scheme. Those are gorgeous. Okay, you guys, this is probably the moment you've been waiting for. This is Happiest Place. Now look at this sticker sheet. It has this awesome silver foil on the side, these stickers. It has some red and tangerine and teal and yellow. It's just super happy, and it makes me so happy. I can't wait to use it. There's the sticker sheet. Here are the pattern papers. You have a roller coaster. Woo, with an awesome lemony stripe. Some stars. And that big swirl there. These look like they've been colored in. They're really cool. And a stripe. Love this one. So many of these remind me of Pixar Pier. They're just really awesome. That's in California Adventure. If you haven't been there before, I highly recommend it when we're out of pandemic mode. Super fun. And that awesome stripe. And then the foiled cardstocks, you guys. Look at these. They're just gorgeous. They have like a sparkly silver foil to them. You also have some ones that don't, so if you don't want to use the foiled ones, you have some solids as well. There's a white stripe, your white cardstock, yellow stars with your yellow cardstock, red stripe, your red cardstock, and teal stars with the teal. How awesome are those, right? Let's take a look at these acrylic shapes. Oh, the cuteness. I could definitely use that for a layout title. There's stars, there's hearts, there's geotags, there's a little bow. How cute is that bow? Oh my goodness. I can't wait to use this collection to record some Disney adventures in my case, but I bet you could use this for all sorts of different theme parks or fun days or birthday parties. Super, super fun. I hope you guys have enjoyed this unboxing video of the new Close to My Heart July to August 2020 products. Be sure to check out all of these collections that I've shown you today at the link in my video notes and get them while supplies last. They're only around for 2 months, you guys, so don't delay. Thanks so much for watching, and happy creating with your new Close to My Heart goodies.